Hey everyone, these are my top 5 announcements from the Google I/O press conference. This video isn't going to include changes to Android P because I made a separate video on that, so be sure to watch that if you want to see those. But anyway, let's get started. So one of the most impressive things that they showed during the conference, for me at least, was Assistant booking a reservation for a restaurant, as well as also booking an appointment at a hairdresser.
What service is she looking for? Just a woman's haircut for now? Okay, we have a 10 o'clock. 10 a.m. is fine.
So the assistant actually talked with a real person, and when the person said that they couldn't book it at that time, or they have to have a certain amount of people to reserve a place there, the assistant responded just how a normal person would respond. Google Lens also has a few improvements too, so it can now copy and paste text that's on a document or anything physical in the real world, which was pretty impressive to see. And you'll be able to actually tap on the words to see what the things on the menu actually are. And you'll also be able to start doing this in real time too. You won't have to go into the Photos app and tap on the Google Lens icon there. And a wide range of manufacturers are going to be building this real-time Google Lens feature right into their camera apps, so you can look forward to that. Photos has also got some improvements too, with some recommendations that it gives for photos in the app. So now when you go to a photo in the Photos app, it's going to tell you how you can fix it, if it does need fixing, that is. So it can do simple things such as adjusting the brightness of the photo, but it can also do quite complex things. For example, if you take a picture of a document on a table, you're going to be able to make that document look like it was scanned. You'll also be able to add colour to a black and white photo with one tap, which for me was really impressive when I saw it. Another thing that the Google Assistant is now going to be able to do better is handling multiple requests. So currently you can tell the Google Assistant to do 2 things, although you have to tell it in a specific way. But soon you're going to be able to tell the Google Assistant to do 2 things in whatever way you want, in a conversational way. From the conference it did look like you're only going to be able to do 2 things at once, but at least you're going to be able to do it in a more conversational way. And there's also the new Google News app that they talked about. So this news app is going to kind of do what the whole news section in Chrome did, where when you're on the new tabs page, you can swipe up and see all the news stories. But within this news app, there's going to be something called full coverage. And what this will do is it will bring together a whole load of news articles from a whole load of different sites on a certain topic. And it's going to show stuff like a timeline of the events. It's going to show a frequently asked questions section. And in this frequently asked questions section, they're going to take answers from a whole load of news articles. So for example, if you want to see how many casualties there were in a certain earthquake, that'll be in the frequently asked questions section. Or if you want to see if a certain person escaped from a bank robbery or something like that, that should be in there too. And these sources are going to be in a whole load of different formats. So there's going to be videos, articles, audio, and all that sort of stuff, all in one place. And yeah, those were my top 5 announcements from Google I/O. So what are your favourite announcements? Be sure to tell me down in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear them, and I'd love to hear if there's anything that I kind of forgot about that was a pretty big announcement. Be sure to like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to see more technology videos that I should be bringing out in the future. I know I've been a bit slow with this channel, but bear with me. I am going to try and work to bring more videos out on this channel. But yeah, I hope you all have a great day. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.